In this detailed look at the TOEFL speaking section, we are going to explore the format of both the independent and integrated tasks, providing insight into how to approach each one. Remember, in the TOEFL speaking section, you will be speaking to a computer, not a person. You will be provided with paper and pencil to jot down notes before you respond, a crucial step for organizing your thoughts. In the independent task, you will express your opinion or share experiences on familiar topic. You get 15 seconds to prepare and 45 seconds to respond. This task assesses your ability to communicate spontaneously and coherently. For the integrated tasks, Task 2 combines reading and listening with speaking. You will read a short passage, listen to a related conversation, then have 30 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to respond. Task 3 also involves reading and listening, but you will listen to an academic lecture instead of a conversation. The preparation and response times are the same as task 2, 30 seconds and 60 seconds to respond. What? Still having troubles answering TOEFL? Say no more, cause here we have the best courses for you. Perfect your speaking skills, professional templates, and learn from thousands of practice tests. Yes, you heard me. Thousands of practice tests. More than 22 tests await you. We have the reading course, listening, speaking, and writing. Whether you prepare in 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, or more, take the best course fits you. What are you waiting for? Just click the description now. Task 4 focuses solely on listening to a lecture followed by a 20-second preparation and 60-second response period. Each task is designed to evaluate different aspects of your English speaking ability in an academic context. Understanding these tasks and their time constraints is key to effective preparation. Before concluding, let's touch on the scoring criteria. Responses are evaluated on 3 primary factors. Delivery, that means clear speech and good pronunciation. Language use, appropriate grammar and vocabulary. And number 3, topic development, relevance and completeness of the response. Excelling in these 3 areas is key to achieving a high score. Stay focused. We will explain them all in this course. Happy studying.